Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive a card in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards, where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we just have to go into one that we want to edit, and then from one of the lists that we have in the board, we just tap on the card that we want to archive, and then in the top right corner we tap on the three dots, and here we have an option to archive the card that we have selected. We can tap on this and the card is going to be archived. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.